What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful new year so far. It's been so long, but I feel like I start all of my videos with this exact introduction. I'm like, it's been so long since I posted my last video. But hey, I'm still showing up, and that counts. Having said that, I really want to take this opportunity to first of all thank all of you guys that have been supporting me so far, despite my very consistent inconsistencies in posting these videos. But that's how life gets. Sometimes we get busy, sometimes adulting is hard, basically. So without getting into too much details of why we are delayed, we're just gonna go right ahead into what we're doing next. I'm really aspiring to be consistent this year, which is a big jump from where I was last year, obviously. So this year I'm planning to explore a lot of content types. We'll see how it goes, but at the very least, I want to keep up with these weekly vlogs. At the very least, I want to keep up with these weekly vlogs, if not weekly, at least monthly. In today's video, you'll be just hanging out with us in a very cold January in Canada. Dude, it's like minus 50 outside, centigrades. And it's not good. It's not healthy. You're not supposed to be outside in that kind of a weather. But we have no choice because we have Stormi, who has to be taken out for her walks 2 times a day. Rain or shine, snow or not, you could freeze, but she loves this weather. And so we're going to go out for a walk with her and then go around the city, do our usual shopping errands, do our usual things, basically. In January in Canada, most people are like fully homebound because we literally cannot go anywhere. We're going to finish this office room. Not much of a redecoration, but just organizing, because I think I've been underutilizing this space ever since we moved here. I've just put it a certain way and left it as it is, but as you can see, the desk has started getting cluttered a lot, and I want to have this space cleared out. It helps me with my mental clarity as well, but mainly with the aesthetics. But yeah, come along. One plate. How many people?
9.
Oh wait, continue.
Can't. Queen Victoria Park, the corner of Niagara Parkway and Murray Street. Queen Victoria Park. Wait. Bye.
Alright, let me give you guys a quick room tour. We stayed at the Embassy Suites in Niagara, Canada. Living area has a small sofa, TV, and a kitchenette. We booked a suite on a higher floor, and I really liked the living room is separated by a door. It made it feel like two proper spaces instead of one big room. The bathroom was newly renovated, so everything felt clean and fresh. It isn't huge, but it's modern, comfortable, and pretty much had everything we needed. This is the bedroom. There's another TV, a proper storage, and the interiors were really well done. It felt quiet and put together, which made it easy to unwind at the end of the day. Stormy also found a couple of spots here to hang out, which she clearly approved of. And then, of course, we have the view, the Niagara Falls, completely frozen. This feels like one of those scenes that doesn't even feel real anymore. It almost feels like a scene from Game of Thrones, and it was unreal to experience it from this height. And the view we had of it, a little foggy, but I would definitely highly recommend at least experiencing this once in your lifetime. After an epic New Year's Eve celebration, we're back into our routines. This weekend was all about rest and reset, full winter gear on, leashes ready, keys in hand, and we are heading out after a fresh snow everywhere. We got Stormy settled into the car, and the roads were completely white after the snowfall. Everything felt quiet and slow in the best way. First stop was Petvalu. She knew exactly where she was. This is her favorite spot. Treats, toys, snacks, all of it. She gets so excited and slightly overwhelmed because every option needs some serious consideration.
I just got it.
We dropped Stormy back home and continued with our errands. First stop was Shawarma Modes. It's in Oakville. This is practically where we live and where we come for all sorts of home related stuff. You get it or you don't? After roaming around for a bit, I was able to finally find my desk organizer here. So we are all good to go back home and clean up the workstation. It is a much needed update. I'm still shopping around, hoping to find some gems, but I think I'm pretty much set on what I want. I did see a very cute entry level bench here. I think it would work very well with our current setup, but I don't know. We're a little iffy on it. We'll probably come back for it if we need it. I think this side is mostly fine. Some cable organization maybe, but I honestly don't want to spend too much time here. Um, I'm gonna decide. I'm gonna think about that artwork, but for now it's fine again. That shelf right there is completely organized. This is as good as it can get. But look at this. It is terrible. Like it's terrible for forget about productivity, but like I can get nothing done here. I bought this recently. I hope it brings some organization to my chaotic life. But oh my god, this table definitely needs a complete redo. This is where I work for both my personal projects and also my day job. So it needs to accommodate those two laptops, these two screens, some camera gear always on charge, and a lot of memory cards, so I need some kind of organization for that. And a bunch of random things that could probably find another home. Like, this is ridiculous. Oh, this is my cable organization, and like these speakers used to be fine before, but one of them stopped working, and I'm getting a headache listening to music from one side of the room. So I'm gonna get rid of this whole thing, just these speakers, and then for now I'm not gonna have any speakers. We'll see how it goes, but yeah. When you look at this from the back, it's a little chaotic, so I'll see if there's anything I can do, but for now I'm not too concerned, because once I sit there, like, I'm not gonna be able to see this, and it's my room. Not a lot of people are gonna come here, so it's fine. And yeah, that's what we're working with today. Okay, I have very few stuff left, but I think they're the most important things I have yet to figure out where they're gonna go. I have this huge camera pouch for my DJI Osmo Pocket, this one, and then there stand or like a cover that goes on top. For now, this can just be together, but I'm not sure yet where I'm gonna place this. For now, let's put it there. And then I have my regular notes. These are always on my desk. They're just for taking notes during meetings, or stuff like that. There's a little bit of clutter still left. Gonna have to clean that up. And I have two laptops and an iPad here that I have a stand for, but there's a little bit of, they're a bit tricky. Sometimes they work with the lid open, sometimes they don't. We need to figure that out as well. And then this cable, this one connects both of these monitors, so I'm gonna have to keep it here and then keep interchanging between my two laptops when I need that. iPad is most likely not gonna stay here. Let me get this out of the way. iPad is most likely not gonna stay there. We're gonna switch that up, totally take it out for sure. But yeah, for now, just a little lip balm. And I also have like a lot of stationery that needs to find a home. I don't know where I have that stuff, but there's a lot of stationery in there that needs to find a home. Oh, lens covers. This I think came with my Sony camera. Don't need this for now. We have these pens. Yes, I think there's a lot of pens in there that